We always use this kitchen in webinars. It has a TV in the hood, but also a design the best kitchen planners incorporate into all of their kitchens. In this video, we'll show you how to use the same design in your kitchen so you can have a similar look without spending a lot of money. In the end, I'll give you a few personalized tips so that you know exactly how to use your kitchen. Let's start with the cornerstone of every kitchen, and it isn't even an appliance. You always want to start with the sink. Resist the temptation to place a huge pro range under your windows for a moment and consider where you spend the most time, and that's your sink. Pick that focal point, like your windows, and put the larger sink there, not your smaller bar sink that you only use sparingly. Sinks are great anywhere in the middle of your design, even in islands. Placing a sink in an island is better than placing a range in an island because you don't have to worry about venting the stovetop. So, start with your main sink, and then place your cooktop and range directly behind it if you can. The stovetop is the second most used appliance after your sink. By placing the cooktop across from the sink, you're not moving more than a step between the two most used appliances. Also, if you burn your food, having a sink nearby is handy and safe. After that, the dishwasher should be placed near your sink as well. So these three are the most used appliances and should be centralized and easily accessible. So you've resisted the urge to shove your 42-inch refrigerator or wall ovens in the middle of your kitchen. And that's great because it's not critical to immediately access either of those appliances. However, everyone uses their kitchen differently. Instead of that larger refrigerator in the middle of your kitchen, you can always design to have an under-counter refrigerator in your island for easier access. Same with cooking. You can incorporate and centralize a microwave drawer or a speed oven in closer proximity. Now that you know the basic steps to designing a good kitchen, watch this video to learn what not to do.